Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to remove legend entries in Excel. So let's start this my Excel and now you can see I have data, product name, unit price and total price. With this I created here one column chart. In this column chart you can see there are two legend entries is added, the unit price and total price, and one horizontal labels the product list. So here I'm going to remove the one legend entries, the unit price. So let's see how it's done. Simply click on the chart, then go to the chart design tab. In data group, click on the select data option. Here you can see the one dialog box is open, select data source. Here you can see the legend entries and the horizontal labels. In legend entries, there are two series available. One is a total price and second is a unit price. And in horizontal label is product list. Okay. So here I'm going to remove the one legend entries. So series number one is indicate the unit price and series number two is indicate the total price. If you want to check, just click on the series number one, click on the edit, and here you can see the edit series dialog box is open. You can see here the selected series range is unit price 691.46, the unit price the first, and then second 825, and etc. So these are the unit price in series 1. I just cancel this dialog box. In series 1 is unit price. In series 2, click on the series 2 and click on the edit. And see here the series value, the range is selected, total price. Okay. And if you want to take the amount 3457.30, same 5775. So this is the total price, means series 2 is a total price. Okay. So here I'm going to remove the unit price legend entry. So I select it and click on the remove option. That's it. And after that, just click on OK. And here you see only the total price legend entry shown. Okay. With this, you can see selected data only, product list and total price. Okay. The unit price column is not selected showing. It means it's removed from the chart. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.